Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
When creating a Webull Cash account, tap Create Account and choose Cash Account rather than margin or drip options. That prevents margin buying power and margin interest. There is no minimum balance required to open the cash account, so you can start funding with small deposits. Note that stock trades settle in 2 business days, T+2 settlement, so proceeds and purchased shares follow standard settlement timing for withdrawals and transfers. Link your bank account using the ACH setup in Webull by entering routing and account numbers or by securely connecting via Plaid. The app displays verification prompts. ACH deposits normally post in 3 to 5 business days, while the app may offer an instant deposit feature with limits that depend on your verification level and will be shown before you confirm. Remember that transfers out require settled funds, and unsettled proceeds from recent trades cannot be withdrawn until settlement completes. Finish identity verification by uploading a government ID and entering your social security number. Completing verification lifts funding and trading limits and enables features shown as available. Webull issues a Form 1099 each tax year for dividends and sales proceeds, so you can report taxable events accurately. Lastly, a cash account prevents margin trades and the amplified effects of pattern day trading margin, but you should still track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.